JS Wellness and Cell Nutrition believes in holistic health and nutrition for optimum healthy lifestyle. Living well with optimum health is possible for anyone who is willing to make a serious personal commitment and to take full responsibility for his or her own well-being. Living and staying healthy is no longer an option in life. We must cultivate and live an optimum healthy lifestyle to enjoy the best of life. Hi, I am Joshua. I have started this JS Wellness and Cell Nutrition sharing, educating, and helping people to live an optimum healthy lifestyle. That's it for this video. I hope you learned a few tips through this JS Joshua Wellness and Cell Nutrition channel. Do subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share this video to friends around you. Should you be interested to know and learn more about how to build a successful wellness network to earn passive income and achieve financial freedom, which I have been earning more than 10 years, you may go ahead to scan the QR code or click on the link. I will be in touch with you to assist you to learn more about my wellness business. May God bless you with good health, prosperity, wealth, and great success all the days of your life. Take care. God bless you and family. Thanks for watching.